Hey guys, did you know that right now Google Chrome is tracking almost everything you do online? Every search, every website you visit, every typo, it's all being sent straight to Google. They say it's to improve your experience, but really you are paying for convenience with your personal data. Hidden deep in Chrome's settings or switches that are quietly spying on you every single day. And here is the thing. Once you turn these off, your phone stops feeding Google all this data, and you will thank me later. Let's dive in. Open the Chrome app on your Android phone, tap the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and tap Settings. Now go to Google Services, or it may say Google Services and Preferences. This is the screen we are going to fix. These are the settings that are quietly tracking you. Let's turn them off one by one. Allow Chrome sign in. If this is on, Google constantly links your browsing activity to your personal Google account. Keeping it off keeps your browsing on this device separate. No connection, no Gmail, Maps, or YouTube profile. Privacy secured. Turn it off. Help improve Chrome's features and performance. This one might seem harmless, but it sends usage statistics and crash reports straight to Google. And it's not just numbers, sometimes it includes snippets of the web pages you were viewing, your system info, and actions you took inside the app. Do you really want to share that? No, then turn it off. Next, make searches and browsing better. When this is enabled, Chrome sends the URLs of every page you visit directly to Google, every website you go to, all the time. And guess what? They use that to refine ads and build a detailed profile of you. Turning this off keeps your browsing history private. Simple. Next one, improve search suggestions. This one is sneaky. It sends everything you type in the search bar to Google before you even hit enter. Every character, every typo, every half-formed search idea, all of it. That's real-time tracking of your thoughts. Turn it off. Last but not least, touch to search. This feature sends text you highlight and surrounding page context to Google to show that pop-up search overlay. Handy maybe, but it's just more data going to Google. If privacy matters more than convenience, turn it off. That's it, 5 simple changes and you have just stopped Google from silently collecting a huge chunk of your browsing data. Your online activity is now much more private.